I want to do nothing but sleep.
I got some undies. Feel so lost in this semester. They just put a medical condition. Procrastination needs to stop. I have a package. Why is one side of my hair taller than the other side? Stayed. She stayed. To argue and she cannot be trusted. She steals. She steals and frames other people. You must go down. You must go down. You must go down. You don't show your face. So good morning, guys. The last few clips that you guys saw was from a different week. I have been sick. I've been to the doctors and they just put a medical condition. They don't know what's going on. But today is the day I'm officially off my medications and I'm in the mood to study. So my mid-semesters run from I think March 6th to the 14th, and today is currently the 26th of February. So I was up last night and I was scrolling through my YouTube and I found a YouTuber. She's from the UK and she just gets you in the mood to study. I love her aesthetics. She has really good tips on how to study, how to like basically wake up your brain. Her way how to wake up her brain is by playing a game. Luckily, I was at a fair the other day and I got one of these. Normally like doing games like this on the phone, but when you go on the phone then you see the other apps and you get distracted by TikTok and all of that. So paperback is always good. I'm gonna use this to help me wake up my brain. I feel so lost in this semester, to be honest with you guys, and I don't like it. I'm currently working on a coursework that is due within mid-semester time and I want to really get it out of the way because I hate having to like work on coursework and have to study at the same time, and it just feels like a lot. But I'm just gonna do a bit of studying today, and I know my hair looks crazy. I'm also going to comb that today by myself. I want to give my hair a break from the braids and stuff like that because I realize that my edges are really looking tacky.
How I get everything done, because in times like this, you literally just want to get in bed and sleep. I want to do nothing but sleep. However, I have things to do and I can't, do it later. So what I do, guys, literally, I'm not joking. What I do is I play this game, and it's basically.
You guys won't believe that I actually didn't do any studying yesterday. I didn't do any studying yesterday. It's not that I wasn't motivated to do any studying, I just had some other stuff to do. So I did say I was gonna comb my hair, and I ended up washing the bathroom, and I also made lunch. That took the entire day, and I did some other stuff. I was feeling guilty, so I actually read something last night. But I'm here to show you guys my hair, to microbraid my hair because it's gonna last a bit longer. This is the length we're working with. I'm afraid to show you guys the back because I don't know like how it's looking on the back, but Yeah. Right. Okay, so this is one side. I didn't get this guy. Guys, why is one side of my hair taller than the other side? And you know the funny thing is, this is the side that I sleep on the most, and yet still it's taller than this side. I don't get it. I don't get it. But yeah, in the back, so I can actually go and study, because I'm supposed to be at the I'm actually going to study right now, because usually I'll be at the clinic at this hour. I'm not really sure the time. I think it's about after 8 now. But I have a different type of clinic today. So today is STI clinic. I'm supposed to be going in at a certain time. So I'm not going in until the afternoon. So I have some time to study. So I'm going to do that. I can't. The procrastination needs to stop.
The menstrual cycle refers to the regular changes in the activity of the ovaries and the endometrium that make reproduction possible. The endometrium is a layer of tissue lining the inside of the uterus. This lining consists of a functional layer, which is
So guys, I just got back from the clinic and I have a package. I'm excited, so I already opened it, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. So I saw this blouse and I thought it was cute. Here it is. The pineapple details on this is cute. And then I saw this top. I like this little thing, so I got this. I got some undies, but I won't be showing those. And the last thing I got is this boyfriend jeans. It's kind of big, but I'll put the photos on screen. But this is what it looks like. So excited to pair these. The pants will definitely be longer than me, but I'll get that fixed. Yeah, that's my little mini Shein haul. Guys, I won a prize for answering the question. Woo! So it's a Saturday. Yesterday I didn't do any vlogs because I was doing a cleanup for my project. So today I'm gonna meet up with my friend at the library and we're going to do some research on this same project. So hopefully I get the information that I need for the project. So guys, I'm back. The library was closed, so I couldn't get to do any research. me some food and I'm going to study after. This is the end of the vlog and thanks for watching. Bye.